guys! Welcome back to my channel. So we're here at the West Yellowstone. Right now I'm here at the Mammoth Hot Spring. Oh my god! Ang lamig! So nabakla! Subscribe and like and comment. Tingnan yung mga bat. Tadaan! Solo flight. Tadaan! Look at the spring. Look at the spring. Wow! Ay, hindi na pala spring yan. Charot lang. Bye! Bye! See you in my next video. Tapos na sila. So guys, ito na yung spring. Yan, nakikita nyo ba? Ito na yung hot spring. Ganda guys. Punta kayo dito. Sobrang ganda, promise. Ito nyo lang yung nakikita sa Yellowstone. Bye! Si Dudong hindi sumama. Layo kasi nang nilakad ko. Siya nilalayo talaga. Okay. Thank you for watching mga bakla. Mga bakla, alam mo yung sunday kasi pagod siya. Ang layo kasi naglalakarin. Tsaka ang dulas. Ano nyo, may snow pa. Ay. Oh my God. Oh my God, Lord. Oh my God, mga bakla. Ang ganda bakla. Ay, shit. Let's see. Oh my God. Ang ganda. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, mga bakla. Ang dulas. Kasi nag-ice na, nagme-melt. Ay, hindi pa pala nagme-melt aray ko. Yan guys. Kita niyo ba yan? Diyan tayo galing kanina. Oh my God. Okay guys. Bye-bye muna. Kasi, hinahinga na si Enjay. Okay? Oh my God. Ang ganda ng high school, di ba guys? Mag-isa lang ako sa falls. Fairness. Mag-isa lang ako sa falls. Oh my jeez, so much. Really.
90 cents. Revenue was
Guys, a lot of eggs.
company beat in terms of its HIV.
Look right here.
Over there.
One right there.
Really getting hard by
Oh my gosh. Wow.
brought in $873 million.
He's tired.
You look at them all over here.
Yeah, over there. Oh my God, over there also, girls. I saw the antler. This is
You
the
see the
antler.
antler? That's
Over
a buck.
there, the antler. The other one. Ah!
But
Over there, oh.
look up there.
Where?
No, they don't. Look up over there.
No more na, guys.
They'll be in the back row.
Grabe, napagod ako sa sigaw, mga bakla. Ganun talaga ako ma-excited. Di ba ganda ng view?
We have an offer. The Desk Phone is a mobile phone holder with a tripod design and non-slip base that securely holds your phone for easy use and one-touch access while charging. Set it on the kitchen counter while following recipes. Place it on your desk for conference calls.
So, mga bakla ang dami. Dyson. Charan! Charan! Di ba ang ganda? Ay, ang ganda.
Well, yes, how we use them, different. Loyalty? You know, that's a big unpack for us, and it's an unpack for us in multiple ways, not just a Bed Bath & Beyond, but think about connecting the data sets that we have in Bye Bye Baby, Harmon, Deck, so Bed Bath & Beyond, to create a new network. Cindy Davis, our new chief data.
Oh my God, nakakalola. Ay! This is scary, child.
Train them for the future. It's a really important strategy.
Scary, Lamar.
Scary.
Place over a little more so that when I walk in, I have on the left wall, rather than all the little mini travel things, says no one's going anywhere, my friend. Then you just have everything I need to make my house clean.
Ganda, sobra. Such pretty, diba? Nakakatakot. Ay, dilat. Nakakatakot, nakakalula. Wow! There you are.
Text the word demo to 411.
There you are, baby elf. Baby.
On your conference call, at one point the CFO was very blunt. Talking about how some of these business-to-business businesses are making you enough money, and you can't make it up by just doing it.
Slow down.
What do you do when there's actual businesses that can't go your way because
So,
of the
mga
pandemic?
bakulong. Ay, ang ganda niya.
Well, we've got to
Oh my
manage the network. You know, there's
Ay,
a
nakakatakot.
capacity constraint in the
Oh my
industry today, regardless of
God.
the supply chain that you're
Nakakatakot siya,
running.
mga
And so if
bakula.
you count all the
Pero
revenue
ang
that was
ganda ng
coming our
view.
way, our
Pero
customer
nakakatakot
service
kasi
wouldn't be
baka
where it needs to be.
mahulog.
And we would have
Ay!
some chaos costs in our financial results coming off of that service.
All right, last question, Carol. A lot of people know Home Depot's machine. They don't remember they used to miss quarters. They don't remember that it wasn't in touch with the customer the way it should be. They don't remember that it didn't necessarily have the right technology. Where is your transformation 2? You got transformation 3 coming. You said a lot of things on the table, so the 5 business. Where is United Parcel versus Home Depot in the transformation?
We're just getting started. We are an opportunity-rich company.
Well, you know what? I'm going to leave it at that. Carol Tomei, CEO of UPS. It is always great to see you. Best of luck.
So mga bakla, that's it for today. I hope you like it. So, kung bago kayo sa channel ko, guys, subscribe na, okay? Napagod na ako sa kakain ko. Kaya niyo ba na? Matamsak naman, guys. So, guys,
That's why you trust
wala kami nakitang bear, pero madami kami nakitang bison.
Blue Death Platinum,
And
revolutionary innovation with advanced system
What
shield
else?
technology to significantly
Deer, you
reduce
saw a big
Deer.
deer with the big rack.
to maintain
Yeah, and
fuel
then
economy,
the other one, the
save
small
money on
one.
costly
Oh,
repairs,
see the coyote or
yeah, the
Your SCR
coyote.
system.
Ah!
One depth to
Walang
choose.
bear.
Blue Death
Bear
Platinum,
brand
the
meron.
best, just got better.
So guys, that's
Investors like
it.
appreciation
Tomorrow
with high
again
cash
we're
flow.
going
The
to
Federal Reserve is boosting real estate
I see the
markets
fall, I
now with
see
super
Yellowstone.
low long-term
Yeah.
interest
Falls.
rates. And where we build, it's booming. Founded in
Find some more
2006,
guys
15-year
and-
track record. NRIA gives you steady
That's
cash flow
great.
backed by
Oh, yeah, yeah.
$1.2 billion
Okay, see you
in
tomorrow.
construction development.
Bye.
NRIA is accepting